quickly just pop on the suspension just to see what it looks like, because I've obviously got the frame and I can put it all together. Have a look. And that's what it looks like on the bike. Getting there. Getting there. I can get 4 fingers here. So I just need to figure out what the minimum travel is here. Hopefully that's okay. It's not a lot. Yeah, I'll just go over the entire tank and give it a few hours and see what happens. I don't really need to paint it yet, but I just thought I'd get started and do something while I'm waiting to do other things. Okay, we'll just leave it. It's already started, look at that, amazing. But we'll give it maybe give it an hour. I can see I'm going to have to do a couple of layers. Okay, so I am off to see Dean. Dean is a friend of mine from a long time ago. I haven't seen him in many years, and he's out Whenuapai way, which is where we used to live. And when we arrived in New Zealand, he and I spent many nights together in a garage, my garage, welding up a fuselage. I was building a Pitts Special S1, which is a small little biplane, and yeah, he was amazing. He's such a nice guy, of course, which is the main important thing, but such a good welder. So he showed me how to TIG weld properly, and I bought a welder. I was going to weld the loop onto the bike myself. Was feeling pretty confident I'll just use a gasless MIG welder, and had some spare tubing to give it a go. But then I realized I don't have a loop on my exhaust for the springs, so that's stainless steel, and stainless steel is another thing altogether when it comes to welding. So and Dean is an expert stainless steel welder. In fact, he welds and makes stainless steel furniture and all sorts of things that you put onto sailing boats, all out of stainless steel, and his welding is amazing. So I thought, well, kill 3 birds with 1 stone. Get to see Dean, who I haven't seen for a long time, and would love to catch up and say hi, and get both weldings done. Get the stainless steel loop for the exhaust spring, but also put the loop on the back, or the hoop. So I'm now on my way there. It's an hour's drive, and I've got the frame in the back, I've got the exhaust in the back, and yeah, I did promise the next time you would see the best welder in New Zealand, in my opinion. Dean, hello.
Oh.
Wave to the camera. I've told them all about you.
Hello, hello. Putting his spring mounts on.
Yes. In his shed. In his lovely place here in Riverhead.
Riverhead.
It's beautiful.
It's a bit different from the Pit Special.
Yes.
So that's about right.
So you got 65 mils. We've had a hell of a time getting all of them lined up. Anyway.
No, because once we put a mark, all I'll do is slide that up to the position I want to go in. So if I just go like, all I'm doing is trying to work out the spring tension. It's pretty easy.
Yeah,
it's about
pretty much there, I'd say.
Yeah. So it's
not the best mark.
So we'll do that. That's about. It's probably going to fall off. But,
Yeah.
see what happens. What could possibly go wrong?
What can possibly go wrong? Whew.
Hello, what?
Alright, it's cooling.
Yeah.
Looks much the same actually. Good job,
Let
Dean.
the guy know so he doesn't.
Brought you to the world as the best welder in New Zealand, so no pressure at all.
That's weird. One thing I've learned is
Yeah.
I know that I'm good at
one of my strengths I know, and you know, it's funny, I don't like talking about myself, but one of my strengths I think is I'm quite good at problem solving.
Yeah.
Like I get a lot of people saying,
how do I?
yeah, I want to do this. I don't know, and I'm quite good at going, that, bend this, push that, and put one of these over here, and pretty much always works out.
Very impressive. Bonus, I get an extra tab out of Dean, plus his fabrication work.
Then I'll just clamp it up.
I can clean it up later if you don't want to.
No, well I got my linen shirt. It takes no time at all, mate.
What's the linen shirt? Oh, it's that thing. Oh, I love them. It's a belt sander in my world.
This is, yeah, you'll love this, mate.
I love these things. I used to. That is so cool. That is so cool. Yeah.
This is a 4-part gate for a guy's house who lives on a. So the hill goes like that, and
yeah.
I'm making it's going to go.
Oh. Ah.
Like
okay.
that. 3, 4 gates.
Yep.
And there's the end posts there. Those two swing out that way.
Yep.
And then these ones actually swing back. They're hinged there, and they swing.
Okay, so concertina.
Yeah, yes. So you can just use.
So my next bike, we're going to weld up the fuselage. I mean, the whole frame from scratch.
Fuselage. Well, if you want to get really flash, Stu, you want to braze it up.
Braze it.
Brazing, like they do.
Oh, but surely that's got no strength.
Yeah, that's strong, yes.
180 k's an hour.
Yeah,
Oh, it looks so good.
You happy?
Yeah, I am ecstatic. Absolutely ecstatic.
That's worked well.
Yeah.
She said she'd be in about half an hour, so everybody wins.
So I'll put this in my car and see if I can get the back seat on fire.
Yeah, I've got a hose around the corner. It might be worth checking my little fingers.
Well, that went really well. Came out beautifully. Thank you, Dean, if you're watching. I really appreciate it. You're a rock star, mate. All done. So not only the loops on the stainless steel exhaust, but we put the hoop and the loop and welded that on the back, and the welds look perfect. So I can grind them down and make them disappear. And we even put a tab on the back. So I was going to do that myself, but he had some small steel lying there and cut it out for me and welded on the back. So fantastic. And you will be coming over for a barbecue to celebrate. Okay, looks good. Okay, I'm back to paint stripping. I've done like 3 paint strips and I'm still not down to the bottom. So I've got new stuff, which is supposed to be multi-layer. We shall see if it works. Time to put the exhaust on properly now. Immediately I've lost a tool. Is to use them here. We actually measured these up to fit with this, and I'll get new ones because that's too loose. There we go. That's more like it. Nice and hard. Here we go. Much better. Okay, it fits. It's not exactly as straight as I'd hoped, but it's okay, it's good enough. 21 Newton meters of torque.